Yun ang aking sinasabi dyan. Kaya in a previous press con, sinasabi ko, there is something about the leadership of Martin Romualdez that turns ordinary people into monsters. Kaibigan ko yan si Dan Fernandez, itong si Paduano, I know them, si Nuistro. Kasama ko pa sa Hong Kong yan nung nag-trip kasama ni GMA. Mabait yan eh. Yang si Abante, ang tagal ko, konsihal yan sa Maynila when I was the Special Legal Counsel of Mayor Lim, 92. Kilala ko lahat yan, mababait yan eh. Ewan ko kung ba't naging monsters yung mga yan na alam nyo kung bakit tinedetain si Cassandra Leong. They want her to produce certain documents which we already explained to them na wala sa amin. Bakit wala sa amin? Unang-una, paano namin ipoproduce na nakadetain siya? Number two, ni-raid yung opisina nila, kinuha ng raiding team yung mga papeles, nasa kanila yan eh. Sinabi na namin, we cannot produce that. Pangatlo, yung mga personal effects niya, na baka merong memorandum noon, ayaw ibigay ng NBI. So we are placed in an impossible situation.